So now that my battery's charged up enough to where I could actually take the umbilical cord out, when I get my Patreon stuff ready, I do the same thing. I come to the table, I run my hand over the table, and whatever is warm, I put it in that person's bag. You know? So that's what I've been sitting here doing since the phone decided to go to sleep and remind me that it don't like that plug. See? So I know that selenite goes in her bag. And everything isn't for everybody. Okay? Everything is not for everybody.